Hello everyone and welcome to the 15th match in round 2 of the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. Today's match is between George Headley Primary from St. Andrew up against Jessie Ripoll Primary from Kingston. I'm your host Sheldon Reed and the action begins right now. So let's jump right in. In section 1, teams will be asked questions alternately, having 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Jessie Ripoll Primary won. Jessie Ripoll Primary won. They decided that George Headley Primary should play first. So with 4 minutes on the NCB Insurance Omni Educator clock, George Headley, we begin with Bible knowledge. Complete this beatitude according to the King James Version. Blessed are they which do hunger and thirst after righteousness.
For they shall be filled.
Correct. Jessie Ripoll, Bible knowledge. Complete the beatitude according to the King James Version. Blessed are they which are persecuted for righteousness' sake.
For theirs is the kingdom of heaven.
Correct. George Headley, science. Which part of the plant grows downwards due to gravity?
The root.
Correct. Jessie Ripoll, science to you. What does the radical develop into at the final stage of germination?
The leaf.
Incorrect. The root. George Headley, international affairs. Look at the monitor and identify the person. It's a visual question.
Paul Abrahams.
Incorrect. Daniel Medina, President of the Dominican Republic. International affairs to you, Jessie Ripoll. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Richard Azan.
Incorrect. Luis Guillermo Solis, President of Costa Rica. English language to you, George Headley. Identify all the words which should begin with a capital letter in the sentence. The lawyer, Mr. Brown, says all trials end on September 2018.
Mr. Brown and September. Mr. Brown and September.
Correct. English language to you, Jessie Ripoll. Identify all the words which should begin with a capital letter in this sentence. Yesterday, we boarded the JetBlue Airlines flight to New York.
Yesterday, JetBlue, New York. Yesterday, JetBlue, New York.
Incomplete. Yesterday, JetBlue Airlines and New York. Incorrect. George Headley, television. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify which hero's logo is displayed.
Flash. The Flash.
Correct. Television to you, Jessie Ripoll. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify which action hero's logo is displayed.
Spider-Man.
Correct. General knowledge to you, George Headley. Which German scientist was responsible for the invention of the thermometer?
Daniel Gabriel.
Daniel Gabriel Fahrenheit.
Correct. General knowledge, Jessie Ripoll. John Logie Baird was one of the 3 persons that invented which device?
Television. The television.
Correct. Social studies to George Headley. The Bellevue Great House is located in which Jamaican parish?
Saint Anne.
Correct. Social studies, Jessie Ripoll. The Bromley Great House is located in which Jamaican parish?
Saint Mary.
Incorrect. St. Anne. George Headley, music. Which international artiste released the album titled The Thrill of It All in 2017?
Usher.
Incorrect. Sam Smith. Jessie Ripoll, music. Which international artiste released the album titled Younger Now in 2017?
Beyonce.
Incorrect. Miley Cyrus. George Headley, mathematics. What is the area of a triangle with a base of 17 centimeters and a height of 8 centimeters?
68 centimeters square.
68 centimeters square.
Correct. Mathematics to you, Jessie Ripoll. What is the area of a triangle with a base of 15 centimeters and a height of 6 centimeters?
45 centimeters square.
45 centimeters square.
Correct. Sports to you, George Headley. This is a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
Wes Morgan.
Incorrect. Reggae Boys footballer Damian Lowe. Sports to you, Jessie Ripoll. This is also a visual question. Please look at the monitor and identify this person.
David De Gea.
Incorrect. Reggae Boys footballer Ladale Ritchie. And that is the end of section 1. The scores currently read Jessie Ripoll primary on 4 and George Headley primary on 7. Before we go to the break, here's a friendly tip from NCB Insurance. And the tip is, if you're a part of a group for a school project, do your part as best as you can. Your best effort will help the group to achieve their objectives. Stay with us. This match in the 2017 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz continues after these messages.